These are our top caps. They're going to fit on top of the post, and then this is what the cable is going to run through, and then this is where all your pulling power is. Look at the size of this base. This is a 5/8" top plate. Now you'll notice this is a 3.5" square tube that's going to insert into the top of our post, and it'll be easy. The nice thing about this, there is no left or right, so it doesn't matter which one you put in. You just got to make sure that the cable hole goes directly with the pulley cable as it goes up to the top cap. It's got to be in line.
Okay, as previously mentioned, all our top caps are identical, so you can't really put the wrong top cap on the wrong post, but you can put it on wrong. So what we're going to show you now is that when the top cap is inserted, the hole for your cable goes directly down to the sheave on this side of the post. So when you bring your cable up through, and if you're to hold tension on it, the cable would be parallel with the post. If this is turned in any other direction, it will not be parallel, and you could damage your lift when you run it. And I'm going to put the lock nut on, and because I don't have a hex wrench to fit this, I'm going to use a pair of vice grips to hold the stud. Now you never want to hold it in the thread, you want to hold it down where it's crimped. And we're going to turn it in just until our nylock is flush with the stud. That's where we're going to start our adjustment from when we do our final adjustment. And we'll do this. This will be typical of all four corners. Okay, there we're flush nutted. Okay, again, we're going to set our cap in the proper direction in alignment with our sheave.